smallmouth. Let's go, baby. No. Came right out. Peeing all over the place. Oh, no. Come on. Put it. There she is. Nice smallmouth. Just crushed me. I just threw my spinnerbait all through there. Put on a swim bait first cast. Beautiful fish. Golly, smoked me. It's just that wobble of that caffeine shad. I think they see that like chartreuse bottom with a green pumpkin top, and it's just like they can't resist it. There's another one. Got him. Oh, a nice little chunk butt. Wow, he's fast. Just a little guy this time. Little male. Another small jaw, number 3. One largemouth. Now we just need a spot, and I know they hang around here sometimes too. There's another one. This one's got some shoulders. Yeah, he's a little bit better. He's a lot better. My God, you should have seen the one that was with him. Oh my God. The one that was with this male was probably 5 pounds. Oh my God. I hope you guys seen that on camera. But I mean, oh my God, you should have seen that on camera. There's like 5 of them. And the one that was with him, oh my goodness gracious, Mijo. Oh my goodness gracious. You should have seen. I hope I get her. I put him back in the water, so if he finds her, she might be happy. Wow, he torqued me there. All these smallmouth want to do is just feed. That's all they want to do. Just feed. That's what smallmouth are known for. Just animals that love to feed. That's the size difference. So I'm only going to bite off the little bit of the head, and then I'm going to put a jig head on there. That's the color too. I don't know why. They like that little chartreuse to green. It must look like a crick chub or shiner to the, I don't know. I'm not going to act like I do, but they just are eating it. So I'm going to keep throwing it. What I'm taking from this is, it's not, I'm going to keep my stuff there. It's not too rocky and whatnot, and those fish over here is a little bit more sand. So we're going to start working our way that way. Yeah, oh, does he have it? He's got it. What is that? Is that a rock bass? Dude, that's a big rock bass. Look at the size of that guy. Man, you're big. Second fish I've dropped today. Sorry, buddy. At least he's gone. He munched it, though. That's a good sign. When a rock bass is eating your stuff, you're in the juice. Because, I mean, anywhere you find rock bass, you're going to find smallmouth. That's pretty much my my past engagements with these smallmouth. Anywhere you find rock bass, they should be around. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yep, that's a big one. Stay pin, baby. Stay pin. Oh yeah, he's digging. Oh my God, he's running so fast. Oh my God. Didn't I just say where you could find a rock bass, you're gonna find a smallmouth? I just casted right back in that same spot. Wow, you are a pretty fish. I recognize you. I'm not saying I caught you already, but I'm saying I gotta look at your mouth. That looks like the fish I caught with Al. See how dark their stomachs are? They've been on the bottom a lot. When it's white, when they're really white, they're suspended. There you go, pretty fish. He torqued me. There should be some more there. That's swimming perfect. I'm gonna tell you guys a story. One time I was standing down here with a guy I met. He was a plumber. I don't know if you watch my videos, dude, but we used to come down here. That was another bite. We used to come down here. Oh, it's a big fish. That's a giant. That's not a giant, but he took the rod right out of my hands. Yeah, it's a bigger fish. Yeah, he's nice. Wow, he's got weight on him. Get up in here. I'm telling you what, I'm having one of the best days of my life right now. Thank you, pretty fish. I'm having one of the best days of my life right now. Seriously. This is one of the... That fish took the rod out of my hand. I wish I had a tripod set up behind me. When I hook set him, when I hook set that fish, my rod was like here. My rod was like this in my hand. And he almost took the rod out of my hand. Unbelievable. Gonna need another swim bait. Looks like it. There we go, that's a lot better. I'm just inching closer to this spot. Oh, just got torqued. Got him. 7 straight minutes of catching fish, boys. And the one that hit me before that, oh, sorry, buddy. The one that hit me before that, I mean, I can't explain it. But I gotta retie. But he absolutely, yeah. Wow, he crushed me. Biggin. 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 Oh, no, he's not big. Man, these smallmouth are fighting me today. You just grinding me off a rock. Got me. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Oh, he's not bad. Solid fish. I think I just caught that fish, to be honest with you. Hook there. Well, he's all right. See you, buddy. Let's go get another swim bait. So we're gonna see how this compares. This swim bait here. Also come from Tackle Unlimited. Any of these swim baits, anything that you guys really see me use comes from Tackle Unlimited. I work there. If you guys don't know what Tackle Unlimited is, it's a small tackle shop on Route 51. And if you have a Minn Kota motor, Joe will get you hooked up. He'll fix you up. Just really want to see if I can get a bite on this one. There we go. Kind of seeing where the channel is right now with this wind. But yeah, really any of the plastics, any of the swim baits, any of the crankbaits, spinner baits are all really coming from Tackle Unlimited. Alright, I put the sexy shit, alright, I put back on the caffeine shad. See if I get bit. Perfect. That's what we want right in that. Happens to all of us, my friends. It happens to all of us. Let's see if I can get this one out. Dan Bell, if you're watching that one, I honestly don't know how I got that one out. Had something bite me, boys, right here. I let him take it. I don't know why. I was gonna say I felt something on there. I stopped feeling the wobble. Don't know why he let go. It might have been a rock bass, but it felt good, like it was a smallmouth. Yep. Oh my God. Oh, that was a monster. Golly, that was a big one. Straighten out my hook. That hook's no good. That's why I lost that fish. Golly. Well, that's why you never use a bent hook. A real flimsy hook. Golly. I mean, he pulled too, man. This little guy decided he wanted to bite. What these males are doing, what smallmouth males do, they push up first. And they start, because it should be starting to spawn here soon, at least. And what these males do is they push up. They start like finding an area for them to. Oh, little finesse worm I found here. Old. Oh, I was saying that the smallmouth move up. They start looking for areas to bed, especially when it gets around that time of the year, for them to start doing it. And they're very protective, very, very protective. Like very, very protective. They're very aggressive. And I'm telling you what, that they're going to be starting to make beds here soon. That's all I know. PF 1400 is holding up, man. It's thick. I think it's 6:3 to 1 gear ratio. See, dude. Alright, guys. I am out of here. I'm just gonna put got a whole bunch of plastics in that box, but gonna put this crankbait away that I found. Get out of here. I caught my fish. I slayed them. All solid fish, all off the swim bait too, guys. I mean, all off the swim bait. That's my go-to lure. That and a jig are my favorite go-tos. So now you know. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It would mean a lot. And if you like this video, check out my other ones and see what that's all about. And I'm sure you like those too. So yeah, rod I got today is a 6.6 Walmart special from Jimmy Houston rod. And I got my PF 1400 made by PC Fun. And you guys seen me jack them smallmouth up, no problem on that rod. So I mean, on that reel. And plus I got their spinning reel here too, but I didn't have enough line and I didn't feel like putting any on. So like I said, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.